Hey love, it's me. I've been watching you for quite some time, and all I can say is, goddamn. Look at you. Self-aware, self-confident, self-motivated. And it's all because you've taken the time out to heal, self-reflect. Because of it, you've learned self-love. And self-love looks so goddamn sexy on you. I can't tell you how much I've looked and how long I've waited for you. But it turns out you're everything I've always dreamt of, but more. Just knowing how much you've invested in yourself, knowing that you truly know yourself from the inside out, makes me want to know you, all of you, inside and out. Fuck. I can feel your energy, love. I see you in my dreams. I feel you creep between my sheets, touching me, teasing me, cosmically penetrating me. God, I need you. I need you here with me. I know I'll see you soon. Until then, just know that I am so proud of you. I'm inspired by you. And I long for you. Deeply.